He's upset because mom and dad did not take him kayaking with them. His face. He's so angry. So angry. Rusty needs some attention.
He says, well, you gotta stay away from freight train.
20 pounds of freight
Ready?
train.
Go!
Oh. Look at him go.
Right.
Hey, don't mind me. Just sitting here editing and listening to One Direction. I don't even know who I am anymore. I don't know what's happening. I've never listened to One Direction, but I found a couple One Direction songs that I like. So I was terrible, so bad at vlogging today. Like, I did so many things, but I recorded none of it. You'll have to imagine this, but I was allowed outside again, which is exciting, and we equals me and Jeremy washed cars today, which was fun. I love washing cars, which is a strange thing to enjoy, but it's a good time. So we did that, and yeah, I worked on my papers some, and I got to eat dinner with my family. We're like slowly phasing me out of quarantine. I'm still like distanced from everyone, but yeah. I've been sitting here staring at myself for like 5 minutes, trying to come up with something to say, but like, I've got nothing. There's a lot of thoughts going through my head, but I have 0 words to articulate them, so we're just gonna end the video here. It was a shorter one today, but I hope you enjoyed it. A few of you have requested me to do bullet journal videos, so you got a little taste of that today. So hopefully that was cool. I had fun editing it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. It's day 8 of quarantine? Wow. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow.